Sectionary Part 2. Magnitude. The intensity of an earthquake represented by a number on a scale. Mastication. To grind or crush with the teeth before swallowing. Melanin, a dark brown to black pigment occurring in the hair, skin, and iris of the eyes in people and animals. Meninges. Membrane surrounding the brain and spinal cord. Milky Way galaxy, the galaxy of which the solar system is a part and which contains the stars. Miscible, capable of being mixed. Mucus, a slippery sticky substance produced specially by mucous membranes which moistens and protects it. Nephron, functional unit in the kidney that helps in filtering the blood and forming urine from waste products. Nodules, painful growths under the skin. Ozone layer, a layer of the Earth's atmosphere which absorbs most of the ultraviolet radiation from the sun. Percussions, musical instruments played by striking the hand or stick. Peristalsis, the rhythmic movement of the muscles by which food and waste products of digestion are forced through parts of the digestive system. Platelets, the tiny, colorless, dish-shaped blood cells that assist in blood clotting. Polyp, an invertebrate animal that has a hollow cylinder-shaped body closed and attached at one end, with an opening at the other end by a central mouth surrounded by tentacles and stinging organ. Poultice, crushed leaves of a medicinal plant and other substances that is spread over the skin to treat swelling. Pumice, a very light and porous volcanic rock formed when a lava solidifies rapidly. Pyroclastic, fragments of rock from an eruptive volcano. Raftification, a process of separating mixed gases. Residual cap, a polar cap on the planet Mars, mostly made up of solid carbon dioxide with some icy water. Retrograde, the backward movement of a planet or heavenly body. Rhizoids, a structure that functions like a root for support and absorption. Rhizome, a root-like, often thickened, underground plant stem that produces shoots above and roots below. Scapula, the flat triangular bone that connects the humerus and clavicle, also called a shoulder blade. Seasonal cap, a polar cap in the planet Mars made of solid carbon dioxide that grows and shrinks with the season. Septum, a thin wall that divides the heart to its left side and right side. Sol, a colloid in which tiny solid particles are scattered throughout a liquid. Solute, the dissolved minor component in a solution. Sorus, the dots on the underside of a fern, front consisting of spores. Spermatophyte, a group of plants that produce seeds and that includes gymnosperms and flowering plants. Sphygmomanometer, an instrument for measuring blood pressure. Spicules, small hard needle-like structures that support the tissues of various invertebrates such as sponge. A sporophyte, individual or generation of a plant having alternating sexual and asexual generations. It produces asexual spores. Spring equinox, the period on March 21 where the lengths of day and night are equal. Sputum, material that is spit or coughed up from the lungs and bronchi is made up mostly of mucus. Starch, substance that is found in certain foods such as bread, rice, and potatoes. Sternum, a flat narrow piece of bone or cartilage in the chest that connects the ribs. Stimuli, anything that elicits a reaction. STOLON, creeping horizontal stem from the base of a plant that produces new plants from its buds or nodes. STOLON. Suspension, the state of a substance when its particles are mixed but not totally dissolved in a fluid or a solid. That's suspension. Tectonic, Tectonic is relating to the structure of the Earth's crust and the large-scale processes which take place within it. Tendon. A tough, dense, white connected tissue that connects a muscle to a bone. Terrestrial planets. The four inner planets of the solar system that are closer to the Sun. Tonsils. A pair of oval-shaped spongy tissue that lie on each side of the throat that trap and destroy some of the bacteria that enter the mouth and nose. Triceps. A large muscle at the back of the upper arm. Turbine. A machine for producing continuous power in which a wheel or motor is made to revolve by a fluid. Urea. A form of waste that contains nitrogen and which is excreted by means of urine. Urine. Waste material that is excreted by the urinary system. Vertebra. Each of the series of small bones forming the backbone.